channel. My name is Kikson. Let's solve another easy LeetCode question using C#. So today's problem is problem number 125. In this problem, you'll be given a phrase in a form of string that can contain non-alphanumeric letters as well. That can be comma, spaces. So what you have to do over here is remove all the non-alphanumeric letters, convert them to lowercase, and read from the back and read from the front. As long as they're equal, you can return true, otherwise you have to return false. So before we dive into the writing this problem in a C#, let's look at the example number 1 over here. The example number 1 says a man, a plane, a canal, Panama. That is true because once we remove all the spaces and the comma and semicolon colon over there, we will get the string, and if you read from front and the back, they should be same. That's why it's palindrome. Second example is race a car. That is not a palindrome because race a car, if you read it from the front and back, they are not always same. So example number 3 is a empty string, and we're gonna say empty string is a valid string because S is empty string after removing non-alphanumeric characters. Since empty string read the same forward and backward, it is palindrome. Okay, that's a really good explanation from LeetCode. Okay, that's a lot of explanation. Let's write this program. Okay, so we're gonna solve this problem using two-pointer approach. So in order to do that, we need to create two pointer. Let's call it left, that's gonna be 0, and right pointer that's gonna be s dot length -1, so that the right pointer starts all the way from the end and left pointer starts from the right. So the while loop would be while left is less than right. We're gonna do this while loop. If our program returns if our programs exits this while loop, then we can say the current string is palindrome. So return true over here. I don't know why I commented that. We can just return true over here. So now, we're gonna we are not removing it, we are ignoring the non-alpha numerics. Alright, so we're gonna do it for left pointer first. So while left is less than right, and we're gonna use character function for is letter or digits. As of left, we're gonna run not condition over here. While left is less than right and character at left is not letter or digit, we're gonna move the left pointer till we see a alphanumeric letter. Similarly for the right, so while left is less than right and character is letter or digit as of right, we're gonna do the same thing over here, but we're gonna move the right pointer backwards. So once we are done with that, let's compare letter at left with right. So we're gonna use character function once again because we're gonna ignore case over here. So we're gonna say character, let's make the whatever string whatever character you have to lowercase. So as of left is not equal to character to lower as of right. So once you turn them into lowercase and check for their equality, not equality, if that's true, then we're going to return false and end the program. If not, then we're going to move to the next letter. So we can do that by left moving forward with plus and right moving backwards with minus. So in that way, our program should complete this while loop and find all the letters, and if there's any letters that do not match, it should return false. Otherwise, our program should end the while loop and come over here, and our method will return true. with that, let's test the program. If I've written everything correctly, it should work, and it seems like I have not. So what's the problem? Cat does not contain its letter or digit. There is no digits. Alright, seems like that was the problem, and this is our final test result. We have passed the test cases. In that way, you have solved another easy LeetCode question using C#. If you have reached the video till the end and liked the video, consider giving it a like. If you have any question, comment down below, and if you want to see more content like this, consider subscribing to the channel. Alright, that's it, and see you guys next time.